This is the magnetic-based Wi-Fi solar-powered hitching camera with a 75-foot range for iOS or Android devices. SKU 76275. This camera is 100% weather and waterproof. It is the perfect product for those who don't want to do any wiring ever. With a 75-foot Wi-Fi range, this 1080p hitching solar camera will give you the perfect image day or night. In fact, it has automatic night vision, which means the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. It was designed to work with both iOS or Android, which means whether you have an iPhone, an iPad, a Google Pixel, a Samsung, or any other brand, we have the app for you. Now, while the initial intent was originally designed for hitching, we made the magnetic base so strong that you can even leave it on your vehicle while you're driving down the road. So you can hitch your camera, then take it off, slap it on the back of your trailer, and you're off to the races. You can watch it while you're driving down the road on your iPad, iPhone, or any other mobile device. As for the battery capacity, we've actually designed it to have a 15-hour battery pack. This way, when it gets dark outside, you should still have enough juice to make it through the night until the sun comes up and can recharge those panels again. The camera sits on a heavy-duty base that pivots for that perfect viewing angle and solar orientation. For the first time, we have integrated a large, easy-to-access button with a battery indicator light notifying you if you ever need to recharge the camera, just in case you used a little more juice than you expected. And yes, no internet needed. This is a completely off-grid device. So when the zombies come chasing your trailer, you will see them even when the internet goes down. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!